teachers were all actually enthusiastic. Diba? Enthusiastic, yeah. They are fantastic. So they sing, they sound, the song is, let's go for a
Walk.
Let's go.
A walk.
Actually, naano ko to sa
Yes, ma'am.
original
Actually,
sa...
inspired by you.
Kadra?
No.
Sa
Sa ano nga? No, sa kanila.
Leadership training.
Leadership training phase 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's go out for a walk. It's a long walk. Let's go out for a walk. It's a long way. So anything na makita ninyo, you apply that to ease the atmosphere, ganyan, of the classroom. And then, magaling si teacher.
Masya Allah. Masya Allah. Hindi kami nagkamali sa pagpili
She
sa'yo.
has the personality of a caring and affectionate teacher.
Yeah.
Diba? Nandun yung parang kapit talaga nila. Hi! Ganyan. Oo, nandun. At saka ito, mashallah. Pero, yun lang yung mga kanina yun. Kitaan na
May
sana.
mga, yeah.
Kasi ato na kita pa mga theories. Ma-discover na pero, di ako pala mag-set kita nyo. Ini, mag-assess din